know I did not severely miscalculate the laundry. This is the ultimate bubble machine. If you're looking for a guaranteed way to entertain children, pick up one of these things. Go run! I wish I could take credit for it, but this belongs to my dad, who is a purveyor of fine, fun, and completely unnecessary things. You could probably jerry-rig your own contraptions. You just need a fan, a container to put some super concentrated bubble stuff in, a pump, a hose, some PVC pipe, some little spray nozzles, and a sock to froth up the bubbles. So you could build your own, but this came with a kit. Where did you get the bubble pump, the bubble blower?
Ordered it on Amazon, and I forget the name of the company that it came from.
Oh, it's on Amazon?
Yeah.
Look at the camera and say, link in the description.
Link in the description.
Can you send me the link so I can put it in the description?